guys, today I am going to share with you my experience making the Starburn Crossbody Bag by Spencer Ogg. This is a cute bag. I mean, seriously, I um, I really like this bag. Um, I am not going to do a video tutorial because the pattern designer has a private video for the people who purchased the pattern showing how to make the bag. So I don't think it's right for me to put out a video showing you how to make the bag when the pattern designer herself has it private, okay? So I'm not going to share that. However, what I'm going to explain to you a little bit is how I made this front pocket here using faux leather. Because in her instructions, she mentions, quilting cotton fabric. And there is a step here that I couldn't do because I was using faux leather. Now, this faux leather is so soft. It's so beautiful, so shiny. I purchased this years ago at Joann, and I had it hidden in a closet somewhere. And look, I found it. And it's a very thin vinyl, and it has a knit backing. Very nice, but I don't think this is available anymore. So I'm really trying to think and decide now what I'm going to make next with this fabric. If you have any ideas, let me know. That's the material I used. Um, I used this beautiful thick webbing, guitar style webbing that is very popular right now. And I made the adjustable, removable strap. And I added this end strap, really cute. This is actually a template from Sew Yours. I'm not an affiliate or sponsor of Sew Yours, but I purchased the template and it really makes it a lot easier to make when you have the template. Um, so they turned out really cute, I think. And look, I added a little bit of detail here with the rivets. Okay. Um, the front pocket, and it's here. You can fit your phone. You can fit, a lot of things. And it's pretty wide. And I used waterproof canvas on the inside. And on the inside of the bag, I also used waterproof canvas, and I added the zipper pocket with the card slots. I usually don't do the card slots in the bags because I'm the type of person that I just have a wallet. And to me, I feel it's easier to just grab the wallet and move it from this bag to this bag than having to take the ID, the cards, everything out, move it. But everybody's different. So I said, well, you know what? I'm going to follow the instructions how the pattern designer said. I didn't really change anything on this pattern. Absolutely nothing. I did it exactly how she said it, and I really enjoyed making it. I would probably make it again with just regular fabric so that it will be easier to make the front pocket, because the front pocket was a little bit complicated. And let me explain why. When you make the front panel here and the bottom panel, you have to fold it to make the seam. And the pattern designer says to do a temporary seam on it, like join them temporarily with like stitch it together, because you need them to be together in order to then place the zipper on top of it where the zipper pocket is going to be. Okay, so you don't need these two pieces of fabric to move around. The problem is that if I'm using faux leather, I really cannot stitch it and then remove the stitching because it's going to leave holes, right? What I end up doing was using a lot of the double-sided tape. a lot. And so, as I show you here, I folded the top and the bottom, and instead of stitching them on down the center, I stitched them on the side so that the two pieces of fabric kind of stayed together. I baste stitched them, not in the center, just on the sides. And then I kept this together using a lot of double-sided tape to then place the zipper. And I had to take some measurements, which I'm not going to share because I can't, right? It's part of being honest with and fair to the pattern designer. But I did have to take the measurement from the zipper tape and know exactly where the zipper teeth were going to show and mark some lines on the inside of this fabric in order to place it where it's supposed to be, again, using a lot of double-sided tape. So consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel if you have learned something today. Other than that, I think this bag, it's definitely, if you're using regular fabric, you shouldn't have any problems. Like, you should be able to follow the instructions. I didn't watch the video. I, on purpose, did not watch the video because I wanted to try the instructions and see how clear they were. And the reason for that is because I'm a visual learner. I'm a very visual person. I hate like reading instructions. I read books, but I don't like reading instructions. So I forced myself to read the instructions to see how clear they were, and they were very clear. So um, there was one thing though I wish that the pattern designer would have shared, which is the measurements for the pocket on the inside. I didn't want to have to print that one page for a rectangle, but the measurements were nowhere in the pattern. So I had to print that piece of paper just so that I can have one rectangle, which to me, I'm like, I just, she provided the measurements for other pieces like the tabs, etc. So why not that pocket? I don't know. But that's, I wish she would have provided that. But other than that, the instructions were very clear in inches and in centimeters. Um, I really enjoy making it. And it's a very nice size bag. As you can see, I mean, you can clearly fit a lot of things in this little bag. And I think you don't need another pocket. Like this one pocket here is enough, and then the front pocket. I think that's more than enough. Now this bag is available on my website. If you want to check it out, you can. And I may, like I said, I may make other ones just like this, but with regular fabric instead. So if you want to learn how to make these type of straps, adjustable, removable, or another style of strap end, I have videos here that will show you how to do it. So I will see you in the next video. Ciao!